Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Android and Messages app are up to date so built-in protections work. Next, enable spam protection in Messages settings. This trains Google's filters to catch common spam. Once done, open the unwanted thread and use the menu to block and report spam. That immediately stops messages from that sender and feeds data into the filter. Make sure you set Messages as the default SMS app. Otherwise, these controls won't apply. After basic blocking, strengthen protection with carrier tools and a trusted SMS blocking app. You should register for your carrier's spam filtering. It blocks spam before it reaches you. Install a well-rated blocker and grant only necessary permissions, then disable other apps that read SMS to avoid conflicts. Once in the blocker, create keyword rules and block shortcodes or messages from unknown senders. This layered approach reduces false negatives. And to finish, review your blocked list and export or screenshot settings so you can restore them if needed. Then test by sending a known safe SMS to confirm notifications and that Messages is default. If spam still arrives, try one key troubleshooting tip. Clear Messages app cache, force stop, and restart the phone. Make sure SMS and contacts permissions are allowed. If issues persist, contact your carrier to ensure their network filters are active and not being overridden.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.